Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Got a little video here for you. Just another challenge lock from my good friend Dots Locks. Sent me over a bunch of awesomeness to play with and sent me my my own custom challenge lock to keep blazed. Yes, sir. Love you, Dots. Link to Dots' channel will be in the title of this video. This one here is called One Error, I believe. One error, because it's an era, and I think it's a 1 and then an A. One error. 1 and an R. One error, maybe? I don't know. Play on words, possibly. I can't see. Hopefully you guys can. Alright. Sticker in here. I'm pretty sure we can go that. Oh, nice little false set there. Nice, deeper.
So this car result on the one count of DUI manslaughter that still did not have a qualifier. I'm gonna grant the state's motion for pretrial detention and hold it without bar without any count.
There we go, got it back. Lost it. Okay, I was kind of bumping in and out of that false set and then falling out of it. We got it there. I want to see what's in this, brother Dots. You know I want to see what's in this. Okay. I love to see what my buddies come up with.
Judge Kaplan will approve the no contact order. Jennifer Carvajal was held without bond. The trial is currently pending. Is everybody ready to listen? Next, we go to a child custody hearing in Las Vegas, Nevada. The plaintiff is Shelby Bachman, and the defendant, Jonathan King. The couple are arguing over visitation rights for their 2-year-old son, Joseph. The issue is King's unpredictable work schedule. The attorneys are Don Procopius.
You know what? As much as I do love that one, I'd rather,
So he has to keep her notified of when his schedule is changing so that she's aware of it. She was told him
yeah, 1 second, let me.
he forfeits his entire weekend at CK. Has Joseph learned weekends that he was expected to see his father without seeing his father? The threat was made. I asked you if the threat was made. I asked if it happened. You led me to believe that it was happening.
Alright, number 4. Whoa! Dots! I'm gonna show you guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a little freaking torpedo, serrated, whoa. Number one. Oh. Number one. Holy serrated. I'll give you guys a close-up. Don't worry, I'm not just going to talk about him and not show you. That's as far as we can go there. Okay. So, 2. Serrated. 3. Torpedo serrated. Oh yeah. And then number 5. Little spoolie torpedo there with some serrations. He's just going all out. Yeah, we got light threading. Okay. Alright, start at the back. Start at the back here. A little serrated spoolie. Little serrated spoolie, so that was up. And that was 5, so that was 5, that was up. So just have to remember to put that back the right way, like that. Steel spring. 4. Spoolie serrated. I don't have any exact names. I'm just kind of saying how I see it. I'll be showing you guys. Super serrated. I gotta change that channel. That's annoying the fuck out of me. That stupid fucking court TV shit. Fuck off. Drama, bro. Forget what I was watching before this, but it was not that. Alright, number 1. Super serrated. And then number 2. This one looks like it was fucking serrated and half a spool. Alright. I don't know, but we're gonna take a look, see if there's anything going on in the Bible, which there's not. Okay. Clean Bible. One error, number 13, Dots Locks has been picked and gutted here. Let's give you alright, let's bring it up here for you guys. Alright, that's what we got. Number 13 from Dots Locks, 1 error. Beautiful work, Dots. I'm going to stick this back together and we're going to get them all sent back out into the universe. I promise you, I've got a fucking pile here. I'm not keeping them. I'm not collecting them. I'm not selling them. They're all coming back out into the universe. I promise, guys. ASA fucking P. Alright, until next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.